In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Xero subscription effectively and efficiently. If you've decided that it's time to part ways with Xero, maybe you're exploring other financial management platforms, or scaling down your business operations, this guide will walk you through each step with clarity. Let's get started by first logging into your Xero account. Ensure you have your credentials handy. A smooth login sets the stage for the rest of this process. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. Here, you'll usually find the name of your organization or a menu icon. Click on this to reveal a drop-down menu with several options related to your account. From this menu, select the Subscription and Billing option. It's crucial to navigate correctly to ensure that you're in the right place to manage your subscriptions. Now that you're on the Subscription and Billing page, look for the Manage Subscription button and give it a click. This section is designed to provide you access to all the details related to your active subscriptions, allowing you to adjust, update, or, as in this case, cancel your plan. In the Manage Subscription view, you'll see a list of your current subscriptions. Find the particular subscription you wish to cancel. Oftentimes, this will involve scrolling through your list of services, so take the time you need to locate exactly what you want to terminate. Once you've identified it, prepare to proceed by clicking on the corresponding More Options button. In some instances, this might also appear simply as a Cancel Subscription button if Xero has streamlined the process. Once you click to move forward with cancellation, Xero will prompt you to provide a reason for your decision. This could vary from issues with the service to changes in your business requirements. Offering this feedback can be beneficial, as it helps the company understand customer needs and improve their services. After you've submitted your reason for cancellation, the final step is to click Confirm Cancellation. This action will wrap up the process, but keep in mind, Xero may require you to provide 1 month's notice. Consequently, there might be an additional billing cycle before your cancellation is fully effective. So it's wise to plan accordingly and adjust any related business tasks if you're expecting this change to take immediate effect. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through canceling your Xero subscription. I hope this guide made the process straightforward and stress-free. If you have any questions or need further assistance with other features in Xero, feel free to explore our channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.